Guys, that's right. 4 people were on a simple road trip, but none of them were awake at the time of the crash. OHP says sleepy driving can be just as dangerous and deadly as drunk driving.
We've got rumble strips to kind of help wake up drivers, but that doesn't always work.
Monday morning along I-35 near Tonkawa, a driver fell asleep at the wheel and crashed into a group of construction workers.
There was a car that was traveling southbound, drove off the road. All indications are they fell asleep and struck the construction workers.
3 construction workers were doing work on the embankment near mile marker 217 when that car came barreling off the road. One of them died on scene.
If they're sleepy, they need to pull over. Sleepy driving is as dangerous as drunk driving.
OHP also says drivers need to be mindful in construction zones and be sure to follow the speed limit. While the driver wasn't arrested on scene, OHP says this will be investigated as a traffic homicide, but it's ultimately up to the Kay County DA's office if charges will be filed. And coming up tonight at 6, we're actually talking with a national organization about where Oklahoma ranks for distracted driving and their message to you. Reporting live at OHP, Megan Mosley, KOCO 5 News.